In this video, I'm going to share with you how to take a plain envelope and turn it into a work of art. We're going to start with just a white envelope and a tag that I'm just going to trace around because I want that to be the focal point of where I'm going to put the address. I'm going to trace over it with my black Pitt pen. I love this pen. It's waterproof. It is great. Now I'm using my favorite watercolors, Koi watercolors, and they're real vibrant. That's why I love them. So I'm just putting random different shapes on there that I'm going to turn into leaves, and I'm experimenting with different colors. Use my heat gun to dry it off and then added a layer of dark gray to the tag. I decided I wanted that to be dark enough to where I could write on it with a white gel pen. I added blue to the background, kind of like the leaves and the tag was floating around in the sky. It's always fun to decorate the back of the envelope too, so I lifted the flap and went ahead and watercolored it as well. So what makes it even more fun is to take advantage of the spots I already got on the back as a mistake and went ahead and made it splattered on purpose. I finished off the envelope by tracing around the leaves with my black Pitt pen and hand lettering her name and address on the front. I hope this inspires you to make pretty mail art. Thanks for watching.